Spectrum Call Guard is your first line of defense against unwanted spam calls. This powerful service is automatically activated for all Spectrum mobile and voice plans at no extra cost to you. CallGuard uses advanced technology and industry data to automatically protect you from malicious, illegal, and fraudulent calls before they even reach your phone. Here's how CallGuard works. It uses reputation scoring to grade each incoming call. Calls receive a score based on predictive analytics, and those with negative scores are either blocked completely or labeled as potential spam. Important updates are coming to CallGuard settings. Starting April 2nd, 2025, all new Spectrum customers will have their default spam level filter automatically set to high for maximum protection. Existing customers will also benefit from enhanced protection, with their default filter level automatically upgraded to high starting June 11th, 2025. You have full control over your CallGuard settings. Spectrum Mobile customers can easily turn CallGuard on or off, while Spectrum Voice customers can choose from 3 filter levels: low, medium, or high. CallGuard also provides clear identification of suspicious calls by displaying spam risk on your caller ID. This helps you make informed decisions about which calls to answer. Spectrum CallGuard has earned recognition for its effectiveness. The service received an A rating in both overall and services categories from the Public Interest Research Group, demonstrating its reliability in protecting customers from unwanted calls. Beyond Spectrum CallGuard, there are many additional steps you can take to minimize spam calls and protect yourself from unwanted communications. First, register your phone number on the National Do Not Call Registry. This free service helps reduce telemarketing calls by making it illegal for most companies to call registered numbers. When it comes to handling unknown calls, the best practice is simple: don't answer them. If you accidentally answer an unknown number, hang up immediately without saying anything. Use your phone's built-in blocking features to stop unwanted callers. Most smartphones allow you to block specific numbers and even block all unknown callers automatically. For spam text messages, forward them to 7726, which spells spam on your keypad. This helps carriers identify and block spam sources. Never click links or respond to suspicious texts. Be extremely cautious about sharing your phone number. Review privacy policies before submitting your number online, and avoid giving it out unnecessarily. Your phone number is valuable personal data. If someone calls claiming to represent a company or government agency, hang up and call the official number from your account statement or the company's website. This prevents impersonation scams. Set a strong password for your voicemail to prevent unauthorized access. Report spam calls to your service provider and trust your instincts. If something feels suspicious, don't engage with it. By combining these strategies with Spectrum CallGuard, you can significantly reduce spam calls and protect yourself from phone-based scams. Remember, when in doubt, hang up and verify through official channels.